A-dec is an international dental equipment manufacturer. Primary manufacturing facility is in Newberg, Oregon. Distribution centers in Australia, UK, and of course China as well. I'm within the customer service organization, and we started our knowledge journey back in 2007, where we had many reps and agents, we call them reps, so agents, equivalent in eGain knowledge, that were just sharing their tribal knowledge from person to person, writing in manuals and books. And so, as you can tell, without a knowledge management system, that took a very long time to train people. And we went through multiple other things that, this is our wish list. This is what we want. These are our must-haves, and these are our ideal states. And we went through that RFP process and had multiple responses. Ultimately, we selected eGain. eGain had the most out-of-box functionality of everything that we were looking to do with the future state of knowledge at A-dec. Innovation in 30 days. I got to try this out. Like, okay, you say you can do this, but let me try it and prove that what you're saying on this RFP is backed. This vision of what we saw with knowledge and how we could improve that experience to our dealers, to our stakeholders and our CEO. The questions and calls that we get can be quite complex, so the AI guidance is pretty substantial with simplifying that and bringing that down. Here are some things that I love, and I'm going to show you. This is in A-dec land. This is our template. This is what knowledge looks like. Some other things that I love about self-service, your breadcrumbs, where you're at. If you get from point A to B, you can go back. And then also, some people have mentioned this, but bookmarking stuff. I never thought how amazing that would be. There's certain articles I use every day, and like our catalogs, our articles on catalogs, it's bookmarked. It was very important to us that you could identify your product by the images and then drill down to what your actual image is. You can just identify images and get to the content. The conversational AI guidance, this is big. What I love about it is with any given call, you're asked a question and you're ultimately have this path that can be rather complex on how to get to the resolution. This is one of my most favorite features, macros. This is easy to do in eGain. You create just that reusable content in a single article, give it a name. I go to one place, and I update that in that single place, and it automatically updates in my 100 other articles, which before just takes so much more time to manually go into every article and update that. Analytics are great, and I love this. There's multiple things here that I could talk about. It's just a really good vision of what is happening at a user level. So our A-dec team has increased. So when they're in the field and sometimes our sales team get asked technical questions, it's right there on their phone and they look it up. And it is fun to see that when they have those interactions, their dealers are like, I want that. And now we can say, you can have it. Web self-service for us was really giving that, our most advanced articles, to our dealer partners. It organically grew to a sales to over 24,000 article views in a year. And this year we've even doubled that. Your content is key, and making sure your foundation is there. So we're going to continue to, of course, build what we have today for the long-term vision of this being implemented into chat and being able to have these guided answers and sessions work into chat. We are using Microsoft Dynamics CRM for ticketing and for our customer contacts. So I'm really here to see what that looks like as an ecosystem. working between chat and Microsoft CRM and our knowledge and how it all comes together.